Welcome to the Epoint post tutorials. Today, we are going to learn time in and time out. Time in and out is used to track and monitor when employees start and stop work to calculate each employee work hours. Click on Time in button. Click on Enter Staff Code button. Swipe Staff ID card. Click on Time in now. Great! You just successfully time in. Time out is where you are off your duty for break or finish duty of the day. Click on Time Out button. Click on Enter Staff Code button. Swipe Staff ID card. Click on Time Out button. Well done, time out is done. Time log is where you may manage to do adjust on your staff log in or out data. Click on Time Log button. Swipe Manager ID card. Click on record you wish to amend. Click Edit. You may adjust correct date or even time it here. Or even put in the remark for this adjustment. After finish amend. Remember to save it. Time log view only is just for viewing purpose only. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.